Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, we definitely got more kind of data in regards to how the chart is taking shape. So just strictly from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to cause confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So those lines that I did delete, yes, they still do pertain to the chart. But like I said, from the presentation standpoint, I just don't want to risk clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The one level that does now pertain is in regards to 75.50 here. And this was a very important level of support today that when the price finally did push down below it, you can see that really picked up the downwards pressure to the downside. Now, granted, there's the news report and everything that came out. But regardless, even before that, when it had broken 75.50, that's basically what put this into the downwards motion here. But this is also an important level going forward, and this is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, then from more so the overarching standpoint right now, 75.50 is definitely going to be that key level of resistance that'll need to be broken. So keep a close eye on that. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily about breaking 75.50. Top priority is about just trying to stop this downwards momentum, which showed up in a very big way. Now, the first potential area where the momentum will kind of give us a clue as if this is really done going down or not is right here at the $70 mark. And there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this. This is just simply where the bleeding finally stopped on the day. So watch 70 very closely. And if 70 cannot quite hold up, then I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down to potentially the $67 mark. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but just from a charting standpoint, a break of the 70 puts the chart into kind of this no man's land here where, there just doesn't really seem to be any sort of buying pressure that could show up. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching that level, myself included at $70. So we'll see if the price can hold above there or not. But yeah, overall, things are looking pretty shaky right now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.